In today's video, I'll show you how to disable notifications on Windows 10 so you can focus on your work without constant interruptions. First, click the Start button and then select the Settings gear icon. This will open the main Windows Settings menu. Next, go to System and then click on Notifications and Actions in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all the settings related to notifications. To turn off all notifications completely, simply toggle the switch under Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders to Off. Now you won't receive any pop-ups or alerts. If you prefer to turn off notifications for specific apps instead, scroll down to the section called Get Notifications from these senders. Find the app you want to silence and toggle its switch off. You can do this for any app individually. For even more control, you can click on an app to see additional options like showing banners, keeping notifications in the Action Center, or playing a sound. Adjust these settings according to your preference. And that's it! You've successfully disabled unwanted notifications on Windows 10, helping you stay focused and distraction-free. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.